Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So if you read the title, you already know what's about to go down. This is not clickbait. So my face is already washed. I'm just going in with some witch hazel to make sure that my face is extra clean. So now I'm going in with my facial steamer, and while that heats up, I'm just going to put on some lip balm because my lips was feeling a little dry, and crusty lips is not cute, sis. Okay. So I'm going in with this facial oil to shave my face because you do not want to shave your face while it's dry. And if you made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, sis, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video, because this week I am posting every day for this quarantine and chill. So stay tuned. So before I shave my face, I'm just going to sanitize the razor with some alcohol. So now that the razor is clean, you just want to pull your face taut and shave your face. Y'all, look at all this hair coming off my face. Like, this is so freaking satisfying to watch, and I'm so freaking obsessed with shaving my face. I do this once a month. Like, it helps with a smooth application with makeup, it helps exfoliate the face, and many more. Y'all, I wish y'all could feel my skin. Like, it feels so freaking smooth. Do any of you all shave your face? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you do decide to try it out, let me know how you like it, and also be really careful. As you can see, I'm not going anywhere near my brows because I'm saving that for another video. So make sure that you're subscribing and hitting that bell so you'll be notified when I post that eyebrow video. Now that my face is freshly shaved, I'm going back in with my steamer and following up with a mask. If you would like to know what mask I'm using, stay tuned for my spa day at the house, which is also a part of this quarantine and chill week. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button right now. Also, if you shave your face already, if you're thinking about it, or even if it's not your thing, comment down below. Let's chat, sis. Y'all, we are almost to 100 subscribers. I don't know how I'm going to celebrate, but please let me know in the comment section down below. Give me some ideas. And if you haven't subscribed, sis, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, and while you at it, hit that bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.